One day I dropped my GoPro in the driveway, and as you see, the lens here has cracked, or at least the glass that protects the lens has cracked. And not sure if y'all will be able to see, but there's actually bits of glass underneath the glass that have broken off, so they're in between this glass and the lens. So I have a replacement lens, which will go over like so. I also have this microfiber cloth that was sent with the lens. So this video will be to replace said lens. First things first, going to heat it up with the heat gun and to remove these broken pieces. And the reason you're heating it up is so that this seal that goes around the edge becomes more pliable, and then you're able to pull it up. I have some of the pieces out, and I've just set them over here to the side. And so thankfully the adhesive has come out on the glass and has not remained behind. So now I just got to heat it up some more and get the rest of these pieces out. And you're going to have to try to heat it up multiple times. That's what it took before the pieces started being movable or pliable to get up out of there. I have managed to get all of the glass out. As you see, it is over there in a pile, and there are bits and fragments here and there. There's one piece right there, as you can kind of see. So some of it is in this towel, which I'll wash later. The next thing I'm going to do is to try to get more of this. There's some piece of glass right there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that. That may just have to sit there, but clean off this with a alcohol swab and then go forth, because as you can see, there is dirt right in there, right over there. So I want to get rid of all the dirt and dust as possible, and then we'll go with the next step, which is to reinstall the new glass, or to install the new glass. I ran the alcohol swab over it, and I did get most of that dirt and dust that was sitting around there off. Also swabbed over the lens itself. I'm going to go back again, or go back over it this time with the microfiber over the lens to make sure that it is clear. I did just power it on. I plugged it in, put a battery in and powered it on, and it did come up fine. So the internals themselves are perfectly fine. Just got to get rid of or replace the glass. So next, going to probably do the alcohol one more time, and then do the microfiber, and then install the new glass. So I've went over it with the microfiber cloth, and this came with the lens, but this is the replacement lens. So on the back, as you see, there is an adhesive, and then there's a centerpiece there. So I'm going to pull the whole thing off, and then just have to line it up and stick it down like so, and then it should be good to go. The new glass is now installed, and this was a weird one. So the way the adhesive is, the centerpiece adhesive would not come off. Like, the tab was on the exterior part, which is this here, but then I had to get the adhesive out of the middle and then take this protector layer here out of the middle as well. But I was able to get it in, and I do have it powered on, and it is working. Does not appear that there's any visibility issues on the screen itself. So I'm going to call this a fix. Now, it does have some scratches, and I think those pieces of glass are embedded, because I tried to get them out, but they would not come out. That said, this is how you fix the camera. Fix the lens or the glass on a GoPro. And this is a Hero 8. Comments or questions, leave those down below. Thank you for watching.